Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials. Enable billing and the Functions API, install the Cloud CLI, and authenticate with your account. Once done, set the active project ID so deployments target the right environment. Next, create a minimal handler file and a local test script to exercise the function. Run the local test to catch syntax or dependency errors before uploading. Make sure to note memory and timeout defaults, because those affect runtime billing and behavior. Now you configure execution details. Pick runtime, memory, and timeout values that match expected load. Then choose a trigger, HTTP, pub/sub, or storage, and prepare environment variables securely. Once packaged, install and pin dependencies, and confirm the entry point function name. Deploy using the CLI with region and stage options so traffic is routed correctly. After deployment, run an integration test against the deployed endpoint to verify cold start behavior and confirm logs appear in the Cloud Console. To finish, validate performance with monitoring and trace metrics, tune concurrency and retry policies as needed. Once stable, set up alerts and CI/CD for automated redeploys. If something breaks, reproduce locally, add targeted debug logs, and verify IAM permissions and quota limits. Those are common failure points. Make sure to pin dependency versions and redeploy or roll back if a recent change caused regressions. Finally, document the trigger, costs, and scaling choices for future maintenance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.